Today on Garage Guru TV, we give our studio a new lease on life with products from Pit Stop Furniture. Hi, this is DJ Martin and welcome to Garage Guru TV. On many of the episodes we've made, we've been working on vehicles, but the name of the show is Garage Guru TV. So how about we show you how to spruce up your garage and turn it into a full-blown man cave so your friends don't have to sit on your pee-stained old couch. A good place to start with that is Pit Stop Furniture out of Chino, California. Let me show you what they set us up with. All of Pit Stop Furniture's products feature many race-inspired aspects. The bar table and bar seats both have coil springs wrapped around the posts, along with chrome steering wheels for footrests. Then the levers to adjust the height of the table and chairs are topped with a 6-speed shift knob. The tabletop also features red contrast stitching like you might see in certain vehicle interiors. Lastly, the bookshelf features chrome rim-style casters, as well as stainless AN lines holding objects from falling back off the shelves. Pit Stop Furniture's online catalog features all of the products used in Garage Guru TV studio, as well as the LXE office chair, the GT and SE office chair, the GT receiver chair and footrest, the GT spoiler desk and the GT spoiler desk connector and screen, the spoiler desk pull-out tray, the compact desk, the chicane bookshelf, which is featured in our studio in red, the file cabinet, the chicane side table, the crew chief bar chair and table, the pit crew bar chair and table featured in our studio, the pit crew bar stool, and my favorite, their RRC racing recliner chair. All of these products can be had in many different colors and feature race-inspired aspects and are all designed by master European designer Henry Lenterman. Having a bunch of high horsepower cars in your garage may make it look pretty cool, but Pit Stop Furniture just makes it look that little bit cooler. We look forward to featuring Pit Stop Furniture on future episodes of Garage Guru TV. If you want to see what Pit Stop Furniture can do for your garage, check out pitstopfurniture.com. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'll see you around.